All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get reward back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Ankr. Yep, Ankr basically right now is a great cryptocurrency. It's ranked number 100 on CoinMarketCap. It's up right now in the last 24 hours, about 5%, so we're going to dig into that, and it's up higher in the last 7 days, so Ankr is up right this second. We're going to go over to the website, check out what's going on in the website. We're going to also find out how many holders Ankr has and how many it's increased in the last 90 days, give you a little price prediction. Then we're also going to jump over to RadioShack. RadioShack is re-entering the market as a crypto company. Yeah, RadioShack. I've been going to there for years and years. They're re-entering the market as a crypto company, so we're going to check that out. And then we'll do a top 10, what's going on in the top 10. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and even one day own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Ankr cryptocurrency. Over here at CoinMarketCap, so Ankr is 100 on the CoinMarketCap. It's up about 7.5%, 8% in the last 7 days, and it's up almost 5% in the last 24 hours. This coin is traded right at about 10 cents. Let's give it a look over here. 10 cents, 10.5 cents, up 5.37%. The circulation is 8.16 billion. 82% of the circulation is in circulation right now. Kind of taking a look in the last 7 days, what the coin's actually been doing. It was down here at about 9 cents. It kind of bounced back up. It went back down, back to 9 cents down here, 9.5. Now it's kind of going back. In the last 3 months, if you take a look at the last 3 months, it had a huge spike right here in the middle. Went all the way up to 20 cents. So holy cow, up to 20 cents. Let's check out the holders here of Ankr. Clicking holders, clicking 3 months, just to see where we're at from the last 3 months. So 3 months ago, September 22nd, we had 27,000 holders. Let's go to about October 22nd, 28,000. From 27,000, only about 1,000. And then from the beginning, 27,000 to now, there's 31,000. So it's about 3,000. So we've had about a 10% increase in the last 90 days. So in the last 90 days, about 10% increase. There's a total of 31,000 people holding Ankr. So not a lot of people holding Ankr, but it is increasing by 10%. All right. Ankr cryptocurrency. So we're going to come back to this in a little bit. Let's jump over to RadioShack, getting into cryptocurrency. What? RadioShack is re-entering the market as cryptocurrency? Okay. It says right here, RadioShack returns as a crypto company. The goal is to bring cryptocurrency to the mainstream using the well-known customer brand. So RadioShack returns as a crypto company. So this is going to be pretty good, everybody. Now, RadioShack, once brand associated with home electronics, has reappeared as a crypto company. The RadioShack website now advertises the company as bringing cryptocurrency to mainstream by creating a new protocol allowing everyone to more easily use decentralized finance DeFis. In reality, it looks as though RadioShack is planning to launch its own radio token, and it will start by focusing on swaps, which is basically a service to exchange cryptocurrency and tokens. You know, PancakeSwap, ShibaSwap, Uniswap. Documents available on the RadioShack website describe the low-hanging fruit, mainly because of the incredible level of profits available from trading fees. Jumping over here to the website, RadioShack bringing crypto. We're at their website, www.radioshack.com, bringing cryptocurrency to mainstream. Our mission is to be the first protocol to bridge the gap in mainstream using DeFi. You know, what is RadioShack DeFi? RadioShack is a 100-year-old brand enabling into the global consciousness, and we're going to lead the way for blockchain technology, mainstream adoption by other large brands. You know, so they got a challenge. What's the challenge? The real challenge is the generation gap between the average crypto buyer and the average business decision maker. These demographics difference creates a substantial barrier between crypto adoption. We will bridge the gap between the CEOs who lead the world corporations and the new world of cryptocurrency. So RadioShack is trying to bridge these two together here. You know, it says, how will we make the bridge? RadioShack DeFi will start with a swap. We believe this is the lowest hanging fruit that is full of opportunities. So again, going back over to this article, You know, RadioShack, they partnered up with a company called Atlas USV, which offers universal, decentralized, widely accessible DeFi-based layer to build projects on top. Why partner with Atlas? Well, you may remember the RadioShack brand was acquired by retail e-commerce venture back in 2020, Tai Lopez. Regardless of the amount of documentation available, the details around the blockchain venture seems less than clear. Lopez is clearly staking the success of the entire operation on the strength of RadioShack's brand with customers. Right here it talks about the partner with Atlas and USV. So these guys partnered up here. Atlas USV protocol is a long-term holder, not a reward-oriented short-term provider of liquidity. This gives RadioShack a unique advantage. The liquidity is a long-term or permanent, since the liquidity pool is owned and not rented. It does not have to be diluted to promote the growth. In fact, we expect that once the liquidity pool surpasses other exchanges, liquidity levels in any token pair, our swamp efficiency will be unbeatable for the pair. So give us your thoughts. RadioShack. How many of you went into RadioShack and bought home appliances? Well, now they're going to try to bridge the gap between big CEOs in the cryptocurrency market, the younger generation, and kind of get this to work. So they thought it was pretty cool, bringing out some information about RadioShack getting into cryptocurrency. Ankr cryptocurrency. I kind of like this cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So you can get it right on the Binance US. That's where we've been getting ours. Let's head back over to Ankr, do a price prediction. You know, so back over here at Ankr, it says build, earn, enterprise. So build, you know, you can build, get an API key, learn more right here. Node services, earn, you know, earn Ankr staking through liquidity staking and pool staking. Start now. Parachute liquidity built bonding. Ankr boosts, easily accessible internet bonds, opportunities in DeFi to generate alpha like a pro. Next thing is enterprise. Ankr for enterprise. Connect a Web3 secure with our enterprise-grade node infrastructure, blockchain, API, services for enterprise staking, dApps development, and data analytics. Next thing is the pricing. So I wanted to kind of go over this for everybody. Community first pricing. So they're saying to get started, you can do something as low as $49. There's a package for $224 to get started. There's a pro package, which is the most popular, for $399. It has 120 requests per second, 10 million requests per day, credit card payments, no contract required. The growth one is $799. You know, if you look here, it has double the amount of requests per second, 240. It has double the amount of requests per day, 20 million. Credit card payments, no contract required. So here's your pricing with Ankr. You know, try Ankr API for free, 2 requests per second. Get started right here. So check everything out. Ankr's website, pretty neat. About us, you got our story and our team, the community, and also documentation. All right, let's head back over to CoinMarketCap. So Ankr right here is at 10 cents. We know it went as high as 20 cents before. You know, I'm thinking my price prediction, I think this token could get to 14 to 15 cents by the end of first quarter of this 2022. All our information is for educational purposes only. So we'll get Ankr at top 100. 10 cents right now this coin is trading at. Ravencoin's at about 8 cents. It's up about 3% in the last 7 days, last 24 hours. XDC Network is up 24% in the last 7 days. Take a look at that. I'm going all the way to the top 10. Over here, number 12, number 14, we got Matic at number 14. $2.34, up 22% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu's up 6% in the last 24 hours at number 13. We got Dogecoin traded at 17 cents, up about 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot's at number 11. Avalanche is number 12. Look at Avalanche, up 40% in the last 7 days, $122. Luna is up 46%, another big person, right? Another big crypto right there next to Avalanche. Cardano, $1.28, up about 3%. XRP up 16%, 94 cents. Solana up about 12% in the last 7 days, $180. Binance Coin, $529. Ethereum still over 4,000, and Bitcoin is at 49,000 right now, up about 4.5%. All right, everybody, give us your thoughts. Ankr cryptocurrency, pretty good platforms that they have. Go check it out. Check out their pricing. You can even do something for free to kind of start. RadioShack is re-emerging into the crypto market. It's going to be a bridge between CEOs and the new cryptocurrency community. So pretty good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. This is a bonus video today. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day today.